Okay, so looking at number 18, we're first going to look at this shape here. And this is a kite. And one of the properties of a kite is that this diagonal here will bisect this one here. So this is 30 meters. I know that this also has to be 30 meters. Okay, so the 18. So area of kite, that equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times the diagonal 2. So equals 1/2 times, well, diagonal, one of them is going to be 30 plus 30, which is 60. And the other one's going to be 32 plus 16. So that's going to be 48. So the area of the kite is 1,440 meters squared. Okay, now we need to find the area of these guys here. So together they're going to be a whole circle, but what we really need to focus on is finding out the length of this here, because that would be the diameter of the circle. Then from that we can find the radius, and then use that to get the area. So these are right triangles here. So I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find out that other length. So this is called as, I don't know, I guess I'll call that x. So I know that 16 squared plus 30 squared equals x squared. Now I'm just going to solve for x. So since the diameter is 34, the radius right there is going to be 17. So the area of both those half circles together equals pi times the radius squared, which is 289 pi. So we want to give our answer in terms of pi, so we're not going to round here. So then the area will equal 1,440 plus 289 pi, and then the units is square meters. Okay, let's look at the other one. So here what we're going to do is focus on finding the area of this whole circle and the middle part. So I'm going to focus on that first. So the area of the whole thing, it's pi times the radius squared. The radius is 8, so it'd be pi times 64, or let's call that 64 pi. All right, and then the area of the middle part here is going to be pi times the radius squared there, so 5 squared is 25. Let's call that 25 pi. So the total area is equal to 64 pi minus 25 pi. So we get 39 pi. So the answer is 39 pi square centimeters.